How to get ancestral tokens in Monster Legends. So mainly to get these tokens, it's pretty much most of the time in the tail event that comes from time to time. So as of now, the event isn't going on. As you can see over here, it's still tomorrow, I suppose. But as soon as the event begins, it becomes automatically unlocked for players who have collected all the required tokens. So players do not need to make an additional purchase or exchange tokens once this is done. So before everything, this requires players to collect 5 of each of the 5 tokens. So tokens may be obtained by completing certain tasks, given as rewards in the monster wood, opened in chest, earned in dungeons, earned in time challenges, or obtained in other events. So make sure all of this is prepared even before the actual event starts. But during the event, of course, the Tails Challenge rewards will include these ancestral tokens. So it's like a maze-like thing as well. It's not this one since this isn't details. It's just random rewards, but the Tails Challenge rewards include the ancestral tokens. So once you're in the challenge phase, you can earn ancestral tokens as rewards in the progressive challenge. And on your infographic, rewards can go up to 20 cells tokens, 20 cells again, tokens, basically just like a chain or a back-to-back reward for ancestral tokens. You'll be able to see an event board anyways on how to get these token in the actual event. At times, there can be different layouts of the Tails challenge for different players, so it pretty much depends on how you go ahead and play out your actual layout for your own Tails event. You also play with this event with your team, so make sure you cooperate with them, and the more cooperation you have, then the better chances you can get more of these ancestral tokens with your teammates, of course. But that's pretty much the only information we can give from now. Just go ahead and play the actual Tales event. It's much easier to see from there what you're going to need to do to get these ancestral tokens. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.